Welcome to Suspension Maxx. Today we're talking about a 2002 2500 Silverado. And this truck has that downward rake where the front end is much lower than the rear. And how low is it? When we take a tape measure and measure from the ground to the bottom of the fender well, we're seeing 37 inches. When we measure the rear, we're seeing 39. That's a 2-inch rake. How can we level that out with Suspension Maxx? It's done with the Maxx cams on the torsion bars, and we're going to show you how that's done. We're showing you the factory adjustment bolt, which adjusts the ride height infinitely up and down. Well, this is an older model truck with a lot of weight on it and a lot of wear, and that adjustment bolt is almost used up. It's about the 80% range right now. Now, at the top, there's a limited travel that this adjuster key can move inside of this cross member. And with this adjustment bolt almost all the way, it's limited here, which in turn is limiting the ride height up front. The Maxx cams are going to give you infinite adjustment inside here to give you the dialed in ride height that the truck needs and bring this adjustment bolt back down to a comfortable position where it can be infinitely adjusted up and down. Okay, we've just installed the Maxx Cam 2 heavy-duty leveling kit to this 2500 series truck. And one thing that's key is maintaining an air gap between the upper control arm and the dropout bracket, maintaining this air gap of 1/4 inch so that you can adjust the torsion bar bolts and maintain and keep that factory ride. The Suspension Maxx kit also includes this super heavy-duty 1/4 inch thick plate steel bracket that's going to raise the shock up so that you don't have to purchase new longer shocks. This is that 2500 that we talked about having that downward rake in the front. We've boosted this front end up 2 1/4 inches so it has a much more aggressive profile aligning with the rear. This is a direct bolt-on system fully backed by the Suspension Maxx structural warranty. Get yours today.